Welcome to Excellence in Excel, and in this video we're going to focus on Google Sheets. And now is our question: we want in Google Sheets to freeze multiple columns, and Google Sheets have something really wonderful, and this is really one of my favorite tools that I wish Excel would have. That Excel is not that user-friendly apparently. So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So we have this here, and imagine you need to add up a new list in here. Yes, so what can we do? Well, very simple. We can just insert here, right click, and then we just insert one here. And what happened is the column is moving. You can see this is even moving, and you can even drag this around. This is so nice. You can just drag this around. However, now what we did was we add a new one, and what happened is, since this is now frozen column, and you can see we move it, and there you are. We can still go on like this. This is really wonderful. So this is very nice. So you can even move this. So you say, well, I want to freeze all of these because this is all important, and then you can start moving on like that. Or what you really also can do is, maybe if your starting point, let's remove this, let's delete this column, and this, let's put this back where it was. Yes, or imagine we don't even have this. So how we do that? First, let's unfreeze them. We unfreeze no column, so we click on view. Imagine, well, I would like to freeze this one starting from here. How do we do this? Directly. Just click here on view, freeze, and then you say here, you can select how many columns you want. 1 column, 2 columns, or everything starting from column C, which is the one we selected here. That's the 3rd column. So let's do that one, and exactly what we want. There you are. You can see this is beautiful. Very wonderful and very powerful. So Google Sheets is really powerful for how to easily move around with multiple columns, freeze multiple columns quickly.